or bioinvasion is when a species that originally existed in a certain part of the planet is intentionally or more often accidentally introduced into an entirely new location. Humans have dramatically altered invasion dynamics, especially with the global expansion of trade in modern times. The first bioinvasion in Malaysia is Corbicula fluminea, or Asia clam. The first documented occurrence of original distribution was in the Pacific coast of United States in the 1920s, possibly being introduced by Chinese immigrants as a food resource. Introduced to Western North America from Asia before 1924, and then spread rapidly across the continent. They are a variety of freshwater habitat and can tolerate water temperatures between 2 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. The characteristics of Corbicula fluminea are rapid growth, earlier sexual maturity, short lifespan, high fecundity, extensive dispersal capacities and capable association with human activities. The second bioinvasion in Malaysia is peacock bass, or Cichlidae species. The origin of Cichlidae sepsis is originated from Amazon. Their habitat inhabits aquatic environments ranging from rapids to quiet waters with medium depth and rocky substrates. Inland freshwater bodies and wetlands including rivers, swamps, dams, lakes, reservoirs and paddy feld. Peacock bass are aggressively active piscivorous that consume a wide range of prey and tend to ingest the whole prey that can pass their gape sizes. They also highly prolific, having a sloping forehead and elongate bodies that typically reach 50 to 60 centimeters in length with a deeply notched dorsal fin. Strongly believed that the introduction of peacock bass to wild habitat in Malaysia was started from the release of the species in Camper Lake in the early 1990s by some anglers for sport fishing. Also introduced through the aquarium industry. Natural disaster such as flooding is another factor that helps many aquatic species escape, expand and expose to natural water bodies from fish ponds or cages. Peacock bass species commonly found in Malaysia: Cichlidae monoculus, Cichlidae orenicensis, Cichlidae temensis and Cichlidae ocellaris. The last bioinvasion in Malaysia is Landolcia punctata species. Originally was found in Australia and South Asia, but today it can also be found in the southern and eastern United States. GISD lists Spirodela punctata as native in Australia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, and Thailand. Their habitats can be found at lakes, ponds, and river. Populations can double in size within 1 to 3 days under optimal conditions due to the incredibly fast growth rates. Duckweed spreads because of how easy it can hitchhike on water currents, waterfowl, and watercraft due to its small size. Duckweed, like filamentous algae, can grow in dense surface mats that are several layers deep and may contain a variety of species. Invasive alien species have the potential to alter community composition, alter habitats, alter food web properties, lead to local extinctions and the loss of native genotypes, and disrupt the ecosystem process and functioning.
Bioinvasion has a big impact on human health, ecosystems, and infrastructure. It costs the global economy about $1 trillion every year, and many measures can be taken to help limit its spread and prevent it from being introduced. The best way to help solve this problem is by prevention, which is the first line of defense against this invasion. Regulation must be established, such as the Plant Quarantine Act of 1976, to contain and control the dangerous pest. Early detection can give big advantage to respond to the alien species entrance. We can coordinate better to fight against the species. One of the regulation that help with this is the pest surveillance and forecasting system was set up in 1979 in peninsular Malaysia to detect rice pest natural invasive species. Bioinvasion will always leave a potent effects to our land, so it is our responsible to take care for it.